What is it? What the hell? Turtle? What are you doing, mate? I thought there was something bad. Yeah, no, it's just a turtle, guys. Good spotting. Why is there a snake-necked turtle in the middle of the bush? I mean, look. It's just the middle of the bush. And he's been in a dam, he's on the move. Must be going to rain. How bizarre. Hey, buddy. Oh, well, let's pick him up and get him back into the dam. What you do with these blokes is like that. And I'll just hold him like that, and then he can't really do anything. Yeah, amazing. Beautiful. Oh, we'll go let him go. Alright, mateo, here you go. Alright. Come on. Am I going to have to actually put you in the water? Hey, you're a good boy. Come on. Yeah. There you go. Look, you're in there, man. Awesome. He'll like that.